Hello Truck Lease is thrilled to announce our new partnership with Slick. Slick is a mobile maintenance service that comes on yard to your terminal to do all of your maintenance overnight and on the weekends so that you can eliminate downtime and increase profitability. We've been looking for a solution like this for years. We're so excited to bring this to you, to your terminal, so that you can optimize your operations.
Thanks, Grace. And yeah, we're excited just the same. Slick is really a system laser focused on proactively resolving your maintenance issues without distracting your team. It starts with a software that we write called TrueView. We have our own technicians that come on site, inspect your vehicles, drop that information with video and pictures into the software, which then leads to alerting not only your team, but our team, a centralized team that is focused on resolving your issues. And that's the key thing with Slick. We're able to proactively resolve your issues so you can focus on whatever you do. For many of you, it's delivering packages or whatever your focus is. So it's an exciting opportunity to empower your customers and really just optimize and create great efficiencies.
At Hello Truck Lease, our goal is to make sure that you never have to waste time taking trucks into a shop, leaving them there for the work to be done, and then allocating drivers and resources towards repair and maintenance. Really, our main focus is making sure that those things are handled for you. You don't have to schedule them, you don't have to think about them, and you don't have to pay for them. We want to make unpredictable fleet expenses a thing of the past, so you know exactly what you're paying for and what you're getting, and we can take that off of your plate.
And together, we bring a really powerful solution, and we're so excited to be a part of that story.
Contractors have been hungry for a solution like this for a long time, and we are so excited to have solved for this piece of the puzzle to make Hello Truck Lease an integrated, holistic solution for your business. We can't wait to start this partnership and bring this solution to you. Learn more about this partnership today at hellotrucklease.com/slick.
We look forward to empowering your business.